In preparation for the upcoming 2012 apocalypse at the end of the year, David Newman built this really cool ark. The fact that this project only requires one sheet of plywood is a miracle in itself. And because with the CNC router you can have precise Z positioning and pocketing, you don't see any of the cross members, so you have a nice smooth surface. While the laser version of this, you have to see all the pegs going through. Let's make it. Let's take a closer look at David's ark. As you can see here, you have quite a bit of storage inside, and you have a nice turnable loading dock, and it's totally flush, which is a really nice feature. If you don't want some parts to stick together while you're gluing them, put a little sawdust in between. I think you'll agree that this ark is rather small, but the nice thing about Wood Marvel's projects is that everything is based off the wood thickness. So all you have to do is scale this from 6mm thick material to maybe, I don't know, 20cm thick material, and you probably have something you can actually fit inside of. Although it will be kind of squished. I'll see you in the next video.